Yay me. Wow, look at me. I'm so beautiful. Breathable. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome today because guess what? We're gonna review some Sheglam products. Lippies, some eyeshadows, some concealers and whatnot. But yes, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that way you guys don't miss out on anything fun, major, whatever issues. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you start watching this. I know you're looking at me, but you better push that button. All right, let's go ahead and begin. Look at my hair. Oh my God, I'm starting to look like a curly Q sandwich. All right, let's go ahead with this one first. Experience the power of the petal inspired palette. Perfect for brunch with the babes or your day-to-day. Choose from a range of pinks, greens, and yellows that move from brush to face with grace. See what the palette looks like. I am so excited. So this is palette number 1 out of 3. There's a little paper dealy bobber. Oh my gosh, they weren't even kidding. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is so gorgeous. Let's do a couple of swatches here. So we have some shimmers and we have some mattes. Ooh, look at that. So this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, okay? Okay, so now we have the Awesome Blossom palette, a 9 square color palette of greens and oranges, and for some surprising pops of color. Here she is, all beautiful in the garden and such. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, there goes a plastic thingy bobber. Let's see. We have some oranges. We do have some shimmers, some mattes here. And let's go ahead and test out or swatch a couple of these colors. Look at that. Look at that. Swatch this out, baby. Are we shimmering? Are we glowing? What's going on? She looking pretty though. This palette runs $6.50 on the Sheglam SHEIN website. Okay, so now we have the Cactus Kohl palette. You'll be dreaming in green with our cactus inspired palette that serves up to 12 super pigmented shadows for days, and unlike its prickly reputation, these hugs are smoother than silk. Blend them together for a major green moment or flaunt them solo for subtle glow. The packaging is really, it's not really light, cheaply made or anything. So if you guys have not ever tried the Sheglam palettes, you guys really need to, because they are going so popular like no other. Doodad. We do have a whole bunch of greens and we have some mattes, some shimmers, and there's like a tinty of blue. All right, we'll just do that one and we'll pick a little bit of this right here and we'll do a little bit of this shimmer. Let's swatch this color out. Girl, I'm gonna get prickly, that's for sure. This Cactus Kohl palette runs $7.50. So yes, very affordable, and the shimmers and whatnot are gorgeous. Okay, so you guys guessed it. I'm gonna go with this Cactus Kohl palette, and that's what we're gonna work with. So yay me. I already primed my eyes and we're gonna get started. So I do have my big blending brush and I'm gonna start off with, let's go with a Hotel Key. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Where's the pigment on this? You can definitely build up this color, and it is satiny finish. As you guys can tell, my brush is literally gliding. This is going to be my transition color if you guys didn't like already know that. I want to go with this Pear Naked color. Oh my goodness, we're going to look a little different today, honey. That's for sure. Do you guys like green palettes or not? I'm going to take this Homegrown right here and put it in the crease. Ooh, oh my gosh. Look what's happening. This shade right here is wow, like it is really pigmented. The deepest cactus I have ever seen. I'm gonna blend Pear Naked right here with this color. Girl, like I said, I never knew what color I was gonna do today, but you know what? I guess I'm gonna show you guys what's going on today. I'm gonna take that Hotel Key and I'm gonna blend it in with this other color right here. Come on, come on, come on. So I'm gonna take Sweet Basil and I'm gonna take this on the outer V. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so the color is really pigmented, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys, there is some fallout on the pan. Don't be alarmed, and I am not really a picky person on that, so that doesn't even matter to me. Ooh, this is gonna be so Wow. Why are we gonna look so fabulous? Like, I swear to God, I better look like a queen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cut crease and I'll be back. I went ahead and I cut my crease and we're gonna go ahead and go with Best Shot. Oh my gosh, look at the green just popping out. I'm gonna take this Pear Naked and I'm gonna put it like right next to the other color. So now I'm going back with Sweet Basil. Look at me, I'm so beautiful. Right now, I'm feeling like it's St. Patrick's Day or something. Girl, I hope this video don't take too long because I swear to God, Becky. I'm gonna take this Sheglam primer and I'm gonna prime my face really quick. And if you guys have not seen the video, check it out. I'm gonna put the link here or here. Yes, it is like the best primer that I have found so far from Sheglam. Up next, we got the Sheglam Cotton Candy 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer. Like, you guys should get one, and I'm not just saying that. This Cotton Candy 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer is only $4. Cha-ching! Let me clean up a little bit of my mess that I made over here. So this concealer right here, I'm not even making this up at all. Like, you guys are gonna like freak out because you guys want to know like my techniques and stuff. This is best for like hyperpigmentation, little marks that you have on your face and whatnot. You can use this as a concealer for underneath your eyes. We're just gonna kind of like just cover do just like this. Where did my marks go? I'm gonna set my face with the Sheglam setting powder in the shade Cappuccino. We're gonna powder my face like so, and we're gonna wait like 2 minutes and then come back. Just whisper away of the powder that you have left on your face. Now I have the Sheglam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte. My daughter made up these words or whatever. She was like, breathable. And you know what? Ever since then, that's all I want to say. So excuse if I'm like not talking right or something. But then she says matte is like matte foundation. This is in the shade of nude, and this is what we're going to use. We're going to put a little bit on our face. And when I say a little bit, it's going to be a little bit. If I can remember, I think it was $9. You know how they say, trust the process. I'm going to do my contour with this, with the Sheglam Stereo Face. This has like a contouring kind of highlighter thing and whatever and whatnot. So check out my other Sheglam videos so that way you guys can find out what's up with this product. I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring right here. Girl, nobody wants that double chin. Do it, do it. Oh my God, Marilou, look at the way you're looking right now. Time for a little highlight. Now a little bit of that Sheglam setting powder. So now we have the Sheglam newly reformulated glitter liquid eyeshadow trio Green Daze. Look at these beauties, they're so cute. Pretty. So this is a trio of liquid glitter eyeshadows feature a long-lasting formula that glides on effortlessly for versatile shimmery glow. The lightweight and water-infused texture creates a sheer veil of color that goes on smooth without creasing. So these glitter shadows are $5 for the whole set. Okay, let's do this one. Oh my God. Ah! Now let's do this one. I don't know what this color is, but let's just do it. Ooh, dude, did you see that? Oh my gosh. Wow, these are really, really pigmented and chromy looking kind of, sort of. Ooh, this is kind of like sheer, but not bad. That is pretty. That is really pretty. I'm gonna go with this one right here, this color. All right, let's go ahead and make this really, really visible, you guys. Can you guys see that? Now it's time for the eyebrow. I'm gonna do my eyebrow with a Sheglam Duo, like a little pencil thing, and on the other side it has like it's a felt tip liner that you can fill in your brows with. I did not expect for this to look like little tiny eyebrows and such. Can you guys tell the difference already? Like, I'm just like kind of like making little tiny hairs, and it looks like I have little hairs, but I don't. So now all I'm doing is just filling it in with the felt tip liner. So now I'm gonna finish the bottom. I had to put another battery in my camera, so okay, so I forgot to tell you guys the names of these. Silly me. So the names on these right here is the Last Summer, Twilight Green, and Wondering. Last but not least, we have the Matte Allure Mini Liquid Lip Set. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this before, but you know what? I love my last set that they sent me, and this one is called After the Moment. So this set right here was actually $6. Let's see. This one is Momoho. Ooh, look at that. That's like a slight pink. Gosh, it's like really, really matte and it will dry up and it lasts for a very, very long time. This one is called City Nights. Ooh, my hand swatching is like so terrible right now. This one is called Haters. All right, let's see. Come on. Swatchy swatch. Ooh, so that's almost like a kind of like a hint of mauve and pinkish at the same time. I'm gonna be daring. I'm gonna go with a City Nights. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put a lip liner. Do I have my lips overlined yet? Okay, here goes nothing. We're gonna go ahead and try this color on. Oh my God, I'm so excited because I love red. Marry me. Oh my God, it's almost like the same color. Oh, wow. You hear that? It's not even sticky. Ooh, I love the way it looks like on camera. Oh my God. Like, girl, why you be looking so cute? I am so in love with this color. Okay, I'm gonna go freshen up and I'll be back. All right, I'm back, guys. Let's go ahead and start with the review. So let's talk about all these palettes. Got any of these palettes from Sheglam or SHEIN website? Make sure you go to www.us the little dealy bobber shein.com. These palettes right here, they are very, very pigmented. Freaked out on this whole like eye look today because wow, as you guys can tell, I cannot hardly see my hyperpigmentation. I love the concealer. If you guys have the concealer, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. And oh my gosh, these little glitter eyeshadows I really, really adore a lot, and I love how the color came out on my eyeballs, on my inner corners and such. So yes, I really, really love that one too. These liquid lipsticks, oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried these out, make sure you try them out. They are so comfortable, really pigmented, that's for sure. Sheglam does have some lip liners on their website also, but if you guys want to use my code MFS521 down here on the bottom, extra 15% off, and save some money, you guys. And if you guys like my video, if you guys have any questions or whatever about my hair, my makeup, whatever, just go ahead and let me know down in the comments below and I will try and answer you as fast as I can and such. So yes, I hope you guys like my video. I love you guys. Bye bye.